Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to show you how to make banana s'mores. Although they're not the traditional s'mores, they're more like s'mores pies. So those were the ingredients, which are your ready-made graham cracker crusts, a banana, banana pudding, Cool Whip, and 2 cups of milk. So of course you got to peel the banana and peel it and slice it.
And this banana came apart.
Yeah, it was a little ripe, so it needed to be used up.
Does it matter if you use ripe or not? Or
I would probably not use the green ones, but I would use a ripe one.
okay.
Overripe is okay if you're going to eat them right away, but if you're going to keep them for a few days, you're going to want to use just regular ripe bananas. So then you're going to want to slice them probably about 1/8 of an inch, or yeah, as I am showing you right there. And I'm trying to get all the banana stuff, I guess, off of my gloves, but it didn't work.
And there's some kind of covering on these, huh?
Yeah, but it's only on the top one. I think that's to keep it from crushing.
So it's important to take those off.
Yes, by all means, please take those off before you make this recipe, as I almost did not do with the second set. So there's your 2 cups of milk. Or was that 1 cup, dear?
That was 2 cups.
Okay, that's what I thought. So basically you're making the pudding per package directions. So if you're making a lot of these, as you can see, I'm only making 6. If you're making like 12 of these, you're going to want to use 4 cups of milk with 2 boxes of pudding.
So could you use vanilla pudding?
Yeah, you could. They wouldn't be banana s'mores, or banana s'mores pies.
That's true.
But yes, you could. You could actually, I've actually thought about using chocolate
Oh, I bet you that would taste good.
and making like mini chocolate pies, mini versions of chocolate pies.
So right now we're just basically making the pudding.
Yep. So stir the pudding, make sure everything's combined. Lumps don't matter. Frankly, I like lumpy pudding.
Me too.
So then you pour it into your graham cracker crust. Up to about there. So there's a little bit of room yet. So then after that's all completed, you put them in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. So now you add the banana slices, and basically what I was planning on doing with this was I was planning on making a ring of banana pieces standing up around it and then putting the Cool Whip in the center. I was gonna make something cool like that, but it didn't work. But this did. So then you add your Cool Whip dollop.
That looks delicious.
It does. I want it now. I want it for dessert. And there you have it, easy as pie. Pun intended. So that should just about do it, guys. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe and place any comments down and below.
Bye.
Bye.